Article about Borewell Drilling expenses in April 2024 near Bangalore. The details of Borewell Drilling expenses are provided below, originating from Sarva City Borewell, located at Gudmaranahalli Handpost, Sidesh HG, Harti. For drilling from 0 to 300 feet, Rs 100 per foot, totaling 100, 300, reaches 30,000. For drilling from 300 to 400 feet, Rs 110 per foot, totaling 110 times 100 equals versus 11,000. For drilling from 400 to 500 feet, 120 per foot, totaling 120 to 100 equals 12,000. For drilling from 500 to 600 feet, Rs 135 per foot, totaling 135 100 equals 13,500. For drilling from 600 to 700 feet, Rs 170 per foot, totaling 170 to 100 equals 17,000. For drilling from 700 to 800 feet, Rs 200 per foot, totaling 200 now 100 equals Rs 20,000. For drilling from 800 to 900 feet, Rs 225 per foot, totaling 225 100 equals 22,500. For drilling from 900 to 1,000 feet, Rs 270 per foot, totaling 270 100 equals Rs 27,000. For drilling from 1,000 to 1,100 feet, Rs 370 per foot, totaling 370 100 equals Rs 37,000. For drilling from 1,100 to 1,200 feet, Rs 470 per foot, totaling 470 plus 100 equals Rs 47,000. For drilling from 1,200 to 1,300 feet, 570 per foot, totaling 570 100 equals 57,000. Casing pipe, medium, Rs 480 per foot. Casing pipe, heavy, Rs 530 per foot. Collar, Rs 300. Welding, Rs 300. Rent per point, Rs 1,000. Meal per point, Rs 1,500. All the additional details and expenses regarding Borewell Drilling in April 2024 are listed above, aiding in comprehensive understanding of Borewell Drilling costs.